Final video to fix slow file transfer and copy speeds on Windows 11, because waiting for files to move can waste time and ruin productivity. Are you copying or moving files and noticing the speed is extremely slow compared to normal? This problem happens when storage drivers are outdated, system cache is full, or background apps use too much disk or CPU. Sometimes USB port issues, file system conflicts, or Windows update glitches also cause slow transfers without warning. Many users search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions look long, confusing, and full of technical steps that feel hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexish, I keep fixes simple and safe, and today I will share a secret easy trick that boosts file transfer speeds fast. This trick works because it optimizes storage processes, refreshes drivers, and clears bottlenecks instead of changing random settings. You do not need advanced skills, risky tools, or extra software. You just apply one smart method that works on most Windows 11 PCs and drives. After this, file copying and moving happen at full speed, delays disappear, and workflow becomes smooth again. Many viewers on Rexish already fix slow file transfer issues using this exact trick. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix slow file transfer and copy speeds on Windows 11 for good.